Welcome to new video. If a times 2a minus 3 equals to 1 by 2, prove that 4a square minus 1 by 4a square equals to 3 root 13. So here is given a times 2a minus 3 equals to 1 by 2. Look, here is 4a square minus 1 by 4a square. So what does mean? Here left hand side, look, 4a square minus 1 by 4a square. So this one we can write 2a square minus 1 by 2a square, right? So this is looking a square minus b square, so we can write 2a plus 1 by 2a times 2a minus 1 by 2a. So this is a simple fact, but here is given a times 2a minus 3 equals to 1 by 2. So we have to find out 2a plus 1 by 2a and 2a minus 1 by 2a. So let's try. How? This one we can write like if we make cross multiplication, so it will be 2a and here 2a minus 3 equals to 1. Now it will be 4a square minus 6a equals to what? Equals to 1, right? Then what can we do? We can write like here is 2a square minus 6a. So this 6a we can transfer to right side. It means 4a square, and this one we can transfer to left side. It means minus 1 equals to 6a. Now look, this 4a square minus 1 equals to 6a. Our target to make 2a plus 1 by 2a or 2a minus 1 by 2a, right? So this case we can take common 2a. So 4 divide 2, it will be 2. A square divide a, it will be a. But from 1 we cannot take common 2a. That's why it will be 1 divide 2a. And here is 6a. Now we can divide both sides 2a. It means here is 2a and here is 2a. So 2a divide 2a, it will be out, and here is a and a divide 6 divide 2, it will be 3. So we can write 2a minus 1 by 2a equals to 3. So one chapter is closed. Here is 3. But what about 2a plus 1 by 2a? This one we can write now. Our target to make 2a plus 1 by 2a, right? So 2a plus 1 by 2a, we can write this one square, and here is square root. So we know a theory which is a plus b whole square equals to a minus b whole square plus 4ab, right? So this case it will be what? 2a plus 1 by 2a whole square and square root. It means this one and this one out. So it's a simple thing, right? Now we can write 2a minus 1 by 2a whole square plus here is 4ab, 4 times 2a times ab, b means 1 by 2a. So this 2a divide 2a, and here is whole square root. Now look, we already get 2a minus 1 by 2a, it will be 3. So against this one we can write 3, and here is a square plus 4 and square root. So what will happen? 3 square, it means 9 plus 4 square root. So 9 plus 4 is a 13. So our answer is root 13, but it's not a final answer. Why? Because our target to find out 2a plus 1 by 2a times 2a minus 1 by 2a. So we already get the both value. It means 2a plus 1 by 2a, it will be 1 root 13 times here 2a minus 1 by 2a, it will be 3. So this one we can write 3 root 13, and this is our answer. And we can say this is right hand side, because our target to find out the value of 4a square minus 1 by 4a square equals to 3 root 13. So from here to here everything is perfect. So I hope you clear this one. This is algebraic expression which is very important for SSC, IGCSE, grade 9 to 10 exam preparation. This is my channel SADX. You will get this video in this channel, and also MathJip is my another channel where you will also get lots of math video. It will help you for exam preparation. So no more today. Next video we will come very soon. Till then, keep practice and don't forget share with others. Thank you.